So this is an in-depth map of the West Bank only. And as you can see in the yellow, the dark yellow, is where the majority of Palestinians live. Um, and the lighter, like, I don't know, peach color is more thinly populated. And what I'd like to bring your attention to is this white separation barrier zone. So we'll talk a little bit about the separation barrier. It's really a wall. It's a really big cement wall. And the problem with the wall, among many things, is that it bites into Palestinian land. So if you see this little white here, that's the wall eating into Palestinian territory here. Same with here. The wall is eating into Palestinian territory here and into here, here, down in here. So what does that mean? So it means the Israelis built a concrete wall along this border, meaning the Palestinians cannot access this land that is legally theirs, this little white part. Same with down here, same with down here, same with down here. Okay, same with even into here. So what the Israelis have done is they've taken more Palestinian land illegally through those illegal settlements I talked about before, plus this separation barrier. And while the Israelis would argue that the separation barrier was built to keep out terrorists and that it has worked, which you could argue it's true, it has done so at the expense of Palestinian human rights. Again, you could argue, well, that's their fault because they're suicide bombers and all this. Or you could reframe it as the Israelis have an army, the Palestinians do not, and this is a legitimate war between two factions who are fighting over the land. It's up to you how do you interpret it, but I would say that at least this, not I would say not. Let's start again, Pelletier. This separation barrier and these settlements that eat into Palestinian land is illegal by international law. Whether Pelletier agrees with it or not, it is illegal by international law. It is taking away land from the Palestinians that is legitimately and internationally considered their own land.